In this video, we will learn how to find blocked accounts on Threads. So, let's get going. I have opened my Threads account. If you don't have one, simply install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android device, then register for an account. You must visit the App Store if you use an iPhone. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and requires users to have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. What you have to do is just to open your profile from the right bottom profile icon. Then go to the globe in the upper left corner. Here you will see different options like private profile, mentions, muted, hidden, words, and blocked, etc., etc. You simply click the blocked button, and you will get the accounts that you have blocked. If you want to unblock any account, you can do it very easily from here. This was the very simplest way to find blocked accounts on Threads. Hope you enjoy this video. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.